Mapping services in Palam Vihar are essential for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you need to find your way around the city or you want to analyze data for a research project, having access to accurate and reliable mapping services is crucial. Palam Vihar is a rapidly growing area with new buildings and roads constantly being constructed. This makes it even more important to have up-to-date maps that reflect the current state of the area. Fortunately, there are several mapping services available in Palam Vihar that can help you navigate the streets and find your destination with ease. One of the top mapping services in Palam Vihar is Scon Design. Scon Design is a leading provider of mapping services, offering a wide range of solutions to meet the needs of businesses and individuals. They utilize advanced mapping technologies and tools to ensure that their maps are accurate and detailed. Whether you need a map for personal use or for your business, Scon Design can provide you with a customized solution that meets your specific requirements. Scon Design offers a variety of mapping services in Palam Vihar, including street maps, satellite imagery, and 3D maps. Street maps are perfect for getting directions and finding your way around the city. They include detailed information about roads, landmarks, and points of interest. Satellite imagery provides a bird's-eye view of the area, allowing you to see buildings, parks, and other features from above. 3D maps offer a more immersive and interactive experience, allowing you to explore the area in a virtual environment. In addition to traditional mapping services, Scon Design also offers innovative solutions such as geospatial analysis and data visualization. This can be particularly useful for businesses that need to analyze customer demographics or identify potential locations for new stores. Both businesses and individuals in Palam Vihar need mapping services. Having access to precise and dependable mapping services is essential for anything from navigating a city to doing data analysis for a research project. Palam Vihar is a fast-expanding neighborhood where new structures and roads are being built all the time. The need for current maps that accurately depict the present situation of the area grows as a result. Fortunately, Palam Vihar offers a variety of mapping applications that can guide you around the city's streets and help you to your destination quickly. Scon Design is a leading provider of mapping services in Palam Vihar. Leading mapping service provider Scon Design provides a variety of solutions to satisfy the requirements of both organizations and individuals. To produce accurate and thorough maps, they make use of cutting-edge mapping tools and technology. Whether you require a map for personal or professional use, Scon Design can offer you a tailored solution that satisfies your particular needs. Street maps, satellite images, and 3D maps are just a few of the mapping